It's officially the best time to sell. April 13th. 19 has been identified by our economic research team as the best week of the year to sell a home because it combines high levels of buyer activity with higher selling prices and less competition from other sellers. That doesn't mean you're missing out. Several metro areas will hit their prime time for sales during the week in early May, including Memphis, Tennessee, Indianapolis, Indiana, and Birmingham, Alabama. 70% of sellers believe now is a good time to sell a home, and 81% expect to receive their asking price or more when they sell. With the share of homes on the market with price drops sitting at about 18%, we think this is a reasonable expectation for sellers. 55% of sellers who have been planning to sell for a year or more feel locked into their current lower mortgage rate, and that problem is unlikely to go away. However, life happens, and 79% of sellers make a move out of necessity rather than market opportunity. It has now been 75 consecutive weeks where active listings have increased year over year, as the long, slow recovery from the post-pandemic buying frenzy continues years later. Time on the market also increased from last year by 4 days as more active listings combine with a slower sales pace to keep homes on the market longer. A key factor in the market's slower pace is mortgage rates. And this week, the Freddie Mac 30-year fixed-rate mortgage rate jumped 21 basis points to 6.83%. The tariffs are not just affecting financial markets. They are also creating additional costs for home builders that are exacerbating the country's housing affordability crisis. Some of the pullback in starts can be attributed to tariff threats made in March or earlier, which created uncertainty among builders. The 25% tariffs on imported steel and aluminum will make multifamily construction projects more expensive, and that cost will be passed on to renters. The March rent report was released this week, and while it marked the 20th straight month of year-over-year rent declines, it also suggests that the rental market is driven by the performance of multifamily construction. Thanks for watching. Please visit our site for additional videos and articles, www.nadlandforum.com.